This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, February 26, 2011. Let's first take a look at a water vapor satellite picture taken last night. You can see a big storm out over the west coast. That'll be coming our way by the end of the weekend, but over the state of Iowa right now, at this time, there was a few clouds with some light snow in the area. The watch morning map from last night around 11 o'clock, you can see lots of winter storm warnings and advisories over the west coast, down into Southern California, Arizona, Utah. Winter weather advisories now posted in Kansas, Oklahoma. Here's the QPF chart. This is for the next 5 days, taken through Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock. Most of the heaviest precipitation you see from Kansas City off to the east will be falling from Sunday evening through Monday morning. Now let's take a look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. You can see there's that upper level low over the west coast, with the westerly flow over the rest of the country. Down below at the surface, you can see that upper level feature over the southern California into the Rockies. A little bit of light snow. This is with the upper level feature over Iowa. This is Sunday at noon. That upper level feature is now kicking out into Arizona and New Mexico with a southwesterly flow over the state of Iowa. And down at the surface here, you can see southerly winds have pushed the 540 line, the first blue line, up to the Iowa-Minnesota border with some precipitation. That should mean by Sunday afternoon we could be seeing some light rain or drizzle. Now here's midnight Monday morning. That low is now over about Peoria, Illinois. The 540 line is right on the edge of the precipitation, so the rain may change to snow briefly before ending. And by Monday at noon, it's gone. So the main window of precipitation will be from Sunday at noon until about Monday at 6 to 9 a.m. and mostly rain with some snow at the end. Now, after a few days of quiet time, we head to Thursday. This is Thursday at noon. You can see a little bit of a trough just to the west, but a zonal flow pretty much over the rest of the country at the surface. A new storm forming just to the west. Warm air coming back over 540 line from about Sioux City to Des Moines to Davenport, so some rain, snow possible at that time. Here's Friday morning at midnight. The low is now over about St. Joseph or Kansas City. 540 line over the northern part of the state, so we could be seeing some rain, snow mix again over the state. By Saturday morning, that storm is long gone. Cold air rushes back in, maybe a few flurries over northwest Iowa at that time. Now we go off into voodoo country. This is Wednesday, March 9th. Zonal flow pretty much over the country with a vortex just to the north. At the surface, this looks rather muddled. Precipitation everywhere, so there could be some light snow around. And at the end of the forecast period, March 13th, very good anniversary date, or a bad anniversary date of a tornado outbreak in 1990, but this looks like it's going to be too cold for tornadoes. 540 line will be over the northwestern part of the state, so some rain, snow, possibly some thunderstorms at that time. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.